Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to use the cut feature in Google Sheets. Now, cutting and deleting are two different things. I think people get them mixed up a lot. When you are using the cut feature, you are taking text from one area and it's copying into your clipboard, and you are going to probably more than likely paste it somewhere else. When you're deleting, you're just completely getting rid of something. There are three ways that you can access this feature, and I'm actually also going to be using the pasting feature just so that I can show you how the cutting tool functions. So you can see in my first column, I have written out hello, and I want to take this text and I want to move it over to J. So I'm going to make sure that I have all of the text highlighted that I want to move. Obviously, you can do this all at once, but because I'm showing you different ways, I'm going to pull it over one by one. So first thing you can do is you can right click. Your first option is the scissors and it's cutting. And you can see how the line around this has changed, which is similar to what happens when you're copying and pasting. And now I want to paste this. So I'm going to paste that, and you can see that the text has moved from H to J. The next way that you can do this is you can also highlight the text. And if you have a Windows computer, I don't know if it's the same on Mac, you can click Control X and that will do the same thing. You can see the line has changed, and then I'm just going to paste it over here. And then the last way that you can access this feature is make sure that your text is selected. You can go up to Edit, which is the second option on the main menu, and you can go down to the third option, which is Cut, and then I'm going to just paste that over. And these are the three ways that you can utilize the cut feature in Google Sheets. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find them to be helpful as well. Thank you. Bye.